做太高了吧，这个照不上。
进入直播间了。
Hi, this is Annie from Luoyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Okay, now I will send our name card to you. Okay. This is Annie from Luoyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Okay, now let me briefly introduce our company. Luoyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing is established in 2004. It is mainly to manufacture cross-roller bearings, YRTS, rotary tapered bearings, harmonic radius bearings, slowing bearings, and customized bearings for 18 years. And we have ISO, SGS certification, and professionally replace IKO, THK, IKO, THK, INA, SKF, and other foreign brands. And our bearings are exported to more than 50 countries, such as Russia, Korea, Canada, and other countries. So if you have anything, you can contact with us immediately. Okay? Okay, now let me wear my glove. But it is...
就那个日式挂耳。
这
明天我们去工厂直播是吗？
对。然后你们明天几点？然后跟我说一声，我给你们创直播间。然后创的时候，你们需要拿2个手机，一个是阿里，一个是 SEO。
都是自己给自己看的。
这倒是没说，没错。哦 ，OK。
那就是一个人在阿里直播，一个人在 SEO 直播。
是，同时意思是拿这个直播架，然后同时架2个，就跟这样，同时架2个手机。对，手拿着吗？然后同时架2个直播，然后一个人带2个收音，就是两个收音的那个东西，就一个手机插一个收音的。Okay, now I'm back. Let me briefly introduce myself. This is Annie from Luoyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Okay, now let me briefly tell you our company. Luoyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company, established in 2004. It is specializes in manufacture high precision, high rigidity, and high load cross-roller bearing, YRT rotary tapered bearing, harmonic radius bearing, and slowing bearing, and customized bearings for 18 years. We have ISO, SGS certification, and professionally replace IKO, THK, SKF, INA, and other foreign brands. So if you have anything, you can contact with us immediately. Okay, now let me briefly introduce our products. Okay, now first I will introduce cross-roller bearings, like this one. This one is RA cross-roller bearing because you can see the outer ring and the inner ring is integral. And Okay, I think it is not RA type, because RA cross roller bearing, the outer ring is divided into two parts in the axial direction. But about this product, we can see the outer ring is integral. It is not divided. So I think this is CRBH cross roller bearing, because our CRBH and RU cross roller bearings, the outer ring and the inner ring are both integral. Okay. Okay, now first let me introduce our RB cross roller bearings. This one is RB 11016 UWCOP5 P5 cross roller bearing. Can you see this this these words? Okay. RB type is a standard model of cross roller bearings. The outer ring is divided into two parts, and the inner ring is integral. Okay, now you can see there are also have sealing rings in it. And about this one, you can see this one, the cylindrical. You can see these small one, these rollers, these cylindrical rollers, arranged in 290 degrees V-shaped. Hello, Bawaz. Welcome to our live show. This is Annie from Loyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. So, what can I do for you? I can see you have seen our products 128, right? So what can I do for you? If nothing, I will continue to introduce our products. This one is our RB 10016 cross roller bearings. Hello, welcome to our live show. This is Annie from Loyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Okay, now this one is our RB cross roller bearings. This one is RB 10016 cross roller bearings. The outer ring is divided into two parts, and the inner ring is integral. And about these parts, you can see the cylindrical rollers are arranged in 90 degrees V-shaped raceways, separated by spacer blocks. These red and these blue parts, but separated by the spacer blocks one by one. Hello. Voice are blue. Welcome to my lab. Oh. Okay, hello, welcome to our live show. This is Annie from Loyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. So what can I do for you? What products do you want to know about? Okay, now I will continue to introduce our RB. You can see these parts. You can see these parts. The cylindrical rollers are arranged in 290 degrees V-shaped raceway, and separated by the spacer block one by one in one by one in vertical arrangement. And the outline is divided into two parts in the axial direction, and the inner ring is integral. It is most suitable for parts that require the rotating accuracy of the inner ring. Okay. Okay, now, uh, I think I was wrong about this products. I think this one is our RA. Hello, welcome to our live show. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? How can I help you? This is Annie from Luoyang Yifan, Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Okay, let me briefly introduce our company. Luoyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company is established in 2004. Mainly manufacture high precision, high rigidity, and high load cross the roller bearings, YRTS rotary table bearings, harmonic radius bearings, swing bearings, and customized bearings for 18 years. We have ISO, SGS certification and professionally replace IKO, THK, INA, SKF, and other foreign brands. And our bearings have been exported to more than 50 countries. And our company value is that our customers success. Let our customers succeed. So you can choose us for sure. Okay. And our many products our many bearings have large amount of stock. So we can deliver many bearings within 2 days. Okay. Okay, now I think this one is okay. I think this one is RA cross roller bearings, because you can see that the outer ring is divided into two parts, and the inner ring is integral. But it is much thinner than RB type. So about RA cross roller bearing, it is most suitable for parts that lightweight and small space requirements. Okay. Okay, now let me introduce our RU. Okay, let me introduce our RU cross roller bearing. This one, undoubtedly, this one must be RU cross roller bearing. Maybe this one is RU 666. And about this one, I can't. It is so heavy. Because we根本都弄不起来。Okay, I think you can see it. Okay, now I just introduce our RU66 or RU42. Sorry, I can't identify the types of this RU. I think this one is RU. 看不到啊？你能看到吗？
因为我点咱们，
我刚刚在上面确实有一个出来什么全8什么来着？
不是，主要是我进咱网站嘛，然后进的直播间嘛，然后我发了一个哈哈，
我没看见，
就那个 live room chat 嘛，然后发了。
我刚刚倒是见了什么 welcome to our live 什么什么的，是不是你发的很长一段？
不是，我只发了一个哈哈，就是HH。
我没有，要不你再发一个？您是发哪儿 ？SU 这 SU 这是 SU。
对哈，为啥你这看不到呢？
我这上面好像就是 SU， 好像就是不显示的，就是对弹幕。
那你
说我
对呀
从哪儿看弹幕呀？
对呀，
我以为你在阿里上面发，那你这说的很有道理。我从哪儿看弹幕呀？
就是比如说因为我现在是个自己的游客嘛，
对，
我点进咱直播间了，然后在旁边 live chat room，
对，
然后发了一个哈哈，
然后没有，
对，
要不你再发一个，我再认真看看。我刚刚是没瞅，但是我感觉是没东西。好，okay, this one is our RU cross-roller bearing. Maybe this one is RU42. RU type.
发了好多888，也没有啊。那就有点奇怪，你到时候看看问问那个运营商。
我一会儿问，这是一个好问题。我一会儿问。This one is our RU42 cross-roller bearings. Compare with RB or RA cross-roller bearings. RU has. Hello, welcome to our live show. This is Annie from Loyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Hello, Sally. Okay. This is Annie. How can I help you? Or what else do you want to know about? Okay, now I just introduce our RU42 cross-roller bearings. RU cross-roller bearing compared with the RB or RA type. There are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring, so it is easier for installation and cost saving for maintenance. Okay, now so you can see, can you see the inner ring is can you see the inner ring is slow or and can you see the move of the inner ring? Can you see? Okay. Okay, I think I need another groove. Okay. Okay, can you see? I hold the outer ring and the inner ring. It is moving. Can you see that? Can you see this one? So because there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring, so it is easier for installation and cost-saving for maintenance, just like our YRT rotary table bearings. But YRT rotary table bearings, the price is much higher. So if you have a small budget, so you have a limited budget, you can choose this one, RU type, RU cross-roller bearings. Okay. Okay, now this one also is our RU cross-roller bearing. I think this one is maybe RU85, but I can't sure. Okay, hello, welcome to our live show. If you need our catalog, you can send your email address to us about this live show. Okay, hello, Nino. Hello, welcome to our live show. This is Annie from Loyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. I think this one is our RA cross-roller bearings because you can see the outer ring is divided into two parts and the inner ring is integral. But compare with the RB cross-roller bearing. Okay, now where is our RB? Okay, now compared with the RB cross-roller bearings, RA type is much thinner. So can you see the difference? Okay. Okay, now about this small one. This small one is also our RB2508 cross-roller bearings. This one is a small one. You can see the diameter is small. Maybe. But the outer, just like RB cross-roller bearings, this one is the outer ring is divided into two parts, and the inner ring is integral. So it is more suitable for parts that require the it is more suitable for parts that require the accuracy of the inner ring. Okay, I think the inner ring is both move, both can move. You can see the small bearing, the inner ring is moving because I'm holding the outer ring. Okay. Okay, now let me introduce our rollers. Commonly we have cylindrical rollers, but actually we also have ball rollers, but I can't find this. Okay, now I just found our cylindrical rollers. We have many types, like this small one, cylindrical rollers, or like this bigger one, cylindrical rollers. And we also have ball rollers or tapered rollers. So what bearings do you need? You can send an inquiry, and we will match the bearings or match the rollers. 这是什么？ Okay. IU42, IU66, IU85. This one is IU14. Okay, now this one is IU148. Oh, this one is a harmonic reduced bearing. Oh, this one is RB. Spacer blocks. this one is YRT. Okay, now let me introduce our YRT rotary table bearings. This one is YRT 100 rotary table bearings. You can see it has one axial cover, one axial radial inner ring, one axial radial outer ring. It has two raw cylindrical rollers, at the axial direction and arranged in brass or nylon cages. So about this yellow one, it is brass cages. This is nylon cages. You can choose what do you want. Okay. It also has one vertical, one raw cylindrical, one vertical cylindrical rollers. And there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring, just like RU type. There are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring. So it has many features and many advantages, such as one bearing can replace two or more ordinary bearings, and it can bear axial and radial load and overturning torque. And the shaft system is better, and the structure is much better, and the structure is much better too. It can bear higher load. It has higher rigidity and higher load. Because there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring, so it is easier for installation and cost saving for maintenance. Our YRT rotary table bearings mainly used in 5-axis, 6-axis machine tools rotary table, milling head, hobbing machine, and lab devices and other industry. So if you have anything, you can contact with us immediately. Okay, now this one is CSF25 harmonic reduce bearings. It mainly using harmonic reduce machines. And our cross roller bearings, the 精度, the appearance, and the is这个还挺无聊的。 Okay. Hello everyone, this is Annie from Loyang Precision Barrier Manufacturing Company. Welcome to our live show. It will be last about 2 hours, mainly to introduce our crossover bearing, YRT, rotary table bearing, and slewing bearing, harmonic reduced bearing, and customized bearings. Okay, if you have anything, you can leave your email address, and we will answer you directly on the. We will send our catalogs to you through your email. Also you can click our website about Alibaba. Hello, welcome to our live show. This is Annie from Loyang Yifan Precision Barrier Manufacturing Company. Okay, I just send your email. Send you a email name card. Okay. This is Annie from Loyang Yifan Precision Barrier Manufacturing Company. So how can I do for you? What can I do for you? Is there anything you want to find out? Okay, now if there's nothing, first I will introduce our company to you. Loyang Yifan Precision Barrier Manufacturing Company is established in 2004. It is mainly to manufacture high precision, high rigidity, high load cross roller bearings and YRT rotary table bearings, harmonic radius bearings, swing bearings, and customized bearings for 18 years. We have ISO, SGS certification and professionally replace IKO, THK, INA, SKF, and other foreign brands. Just like other bearing companies, our bearing exported to more than 50 countries, such as Russia, Canada, Japan, and other countries. Okay, now let me our main products are RB, RA, CRBH, RU, XU, XSU, CRBH, XU, CRBH, RU, XU, XSU, SX cross-roller bearing, and YRTS, YRTM, ZKLDF rotary table bearings. Many models are back on stock. Diameter range from 220 millimeters to 2000 millimeters. All products are produced by advanced CNC machines and 100% inspected after each procedure. The precision class, about cross-roller bearings, the precision class is P5, P4, and P2. But about YRT rotary table bearings, the precision class just has P4 and P2. And our warranty is 12 months. Our company value is that our customers succeed. Should any requirements, please do not hesitate to contact us immediately, and we will answer you quickly. Okay, now let me introduce our products. First, I will introduce our YRT 50. or YRTS rotatable bearings. YRT rotatable bearings are axial and radial cylindrical roller bearings, including one axial radial inner ring, one axial radial outer ring, and one axial cover. You can see through there two raw cylindrical rollers in the axial direction and arranged into brass or nylon cages. In this YRT rotatable bearings, it uses brass cages, but if you want, we also can replace it with nylon cages, like this blue one or this brown one. Okay. About the structure of YRT rotatable bearing, it also has one full, like here, this one full installation in radial cylindrical rollers, and there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring, and lubricating holes. Okay, funding. Okay, I think this one is small. One is the lubricating holes both on inner ring and outer ring. You can add grease easily when necessary. The recommended brand of grease is Shell. And about the features of YRT rotatable bearings. First, it can bear axial loads, radial loads, and overturning torque. Second, one bearing can replace two or more ordinary bearings. Third, it has higher load capacity and rigidity. Fourth, the shaft system is simple and the structure is much better. Fifth, it is easier installation and cost saving for maintenance because you can see there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring. About the application of YRT rotatable bearings, it is widely used in 5-axis, 6-axis machine center or machine to the rotary table, milling head, hobby machine, grinding machine, and other precision measurement like lab devices. The bearing can be preloaded at our factory according to work condition. Precision grade can be P4 and P2. That is ABEC 7 and ABEC 9. Please be noted that P4 and P2 only for axial and radial run out accuracy of inner ring and outer ring, and dimensional tolerance accuracy is P5 if you do not have special requirement. Okay, I think most of you may be concerned about this question. How long they can get? Hello, welcome to our live show. This is Annie from Luoyang Yifan, the Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Okay, I just talk about the delivery time about our bearings, and how long they can how long you can get the bearing after ordering. The raw material of our YRT rotary table bearing is a bearing steel with super precision and high rigidity features. For small models such as YRT50, YRT80, YRT100, and so on, we have large bulk on stock. So the lead time is within 3 days. But for large models such as YRT 395, YRT 460, YRT 580, and so on, we have semi-products on stock. So the lead time is about 50 to 30 days. All of our rotary table bearing have 1 year's warranty, so you can buy it confidence. So hello, welcome to our live show. I will send you an email, send you a name card. So what can I do for you? What can I do for you? Okay, if they're not, I will introduce our products. Continually. Okay, now I want to introduce our YRT 100. So hold on. Okay, now you can see this one, heavy one, is much bigger than this one, YRT80. So this one is YRT 100 rotary table bearing. The structure is the same, because they are both YRT rotary table bearings. So it has one axial cover, one axial radial inner ring, and one axial radial outer ring. It has 2 raw cylindrical rollers in the axial, this one and this one and this one. It has 2 raw cylindrical rollers in the axial direction, and arranged in 2 brass or nylon cages. Nylon cages, like this one, like this one, is our brass cages. You can see it is heavier than nylon cages. Okay. These two cages are nylon cages, but the color is different. You can choose brass. You can choose brass cages or nylon cages like you want. There are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring. So like so about this parts, mounting holes, it is mostly like RU cross roller bearing, because these 2 types bearings, there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring. So it has one same features. It is cost saving for maintenance and easier for installation. Okay, but the price is different. Like YRT rotary table bearing, the price is much higher. But about the RU cross roller bearings, the price is much lower than YRT rotary table bearing. So you can choose what bearing about your budget.
今天是你儿子啊。刚才收到了一个，但是那个是咱们以前的老客户。
收到什么？
刚才看有人说谢谢你的名片发到我的店铺主账号了
啊，
就是你
这个我给他发名片是吧？
对对
我给他发名片。好 ，OK。The application of YRT rotary table bearings, it is widely used in 5-axis, 6-axis machining center or machining tools rotary table. hobbing machine, grinding machine, and other precision instruments like lab devices. So,就这样，我觉得这上面流程，可是它上面流程太多太杂了。就是这一圈，因为你看它这个直播它只能展示到这一边这一片。你比如说这个手机它只能展示到这儿，这个手机它能展到这儿，这个电脑它只能展示到这儿。每个直播展示一块不同。哦，我习惯了。刚讲到哪？Okay. Hello, this is Annie from Luoyang Yifan, the Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Okay, hello, welcome to our live show. This is Annie from Luoyang Yifan, the Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. I will send you a name card, okay? Okay, what products do you want to find out? Want to know more about? If you don't, I will introduce our company to you. Luoyang Yifan, the Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company, is established in 2004. It is specialized in manufacture high precision, high rigidity, high load cross roller bearings, YRTS rotary tapered bearings, and harmonic reduced bearings, slewing bearings, and customized bearings for 18 years. We have ISO, STS certification and professionally replace IKO, THK, INA, SKF, and other foreign brands. And all bearings are exported to more than 50 countries, such as Russia, Canada, the United States, and other countries. Our company value is let our customers succeed. So if you have anything, you do not hesitate to contact us immediately. And if you want our product catalog, you need to leave your email address to us because in this live show, we can't send our catalog, okay? Okay, now let me briefly introduce our products. I will introduce our RB cross roller bearings. This small one, is RB2508 cross roller bearings. The outer ring is divided into two parts, and the inner ring is integral. So RB type is a standard model of cross roller bearings. It is the most suitable for parts that require the rotating accuracy of the inner ring, okay? Because the inner ring is integral. It is not divided, okay? Okay, now about this one. This one is our RA cross roller bearings. The structure is the same like RB. The outer ring is divided into two parts, and the inner ring is integral. But the application about the RA is different from the RB. About RA cross roller bearings, it is most suitable for parts that require lightweight and small space requirements. Okay. Okay, now These 4 bearings, can you see these 4 bearings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bearings. They are both RU cross roller bearings, but the types is not the same because like the upper one, this one is RU42, next one RU66, next one RU85, next one RU148. 48. But except the diameter or the diameter of the inner ring and outer ring is different. But there are both mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring, so it is easier for installation and cost saving for maintenance. And it is and the price is much lower than YRT router table bearing. So if you have but if you have a small budget, you can choose our RU cross roller bearings. Okay, now I want you to see the inner ring. It can move. I think it is magic, or I can't see. Okay, now I will hold the outer ring. Can you see? Oh, okay. Okay. I got the key. So can see I'm holding the outer ring, so the inner ring is moving. So the inner ring it can moving. I think it is amazing. 哎，这转了怎么动的？看看。
咦，乖乖，掉了耶！
这个旋转掉了。I forgot how to let it rotating. Okay, this one. Oh, okay, this one. Okay, I'm holding the outer ring, so you can see the inner ring. It is moving. It can be cycle. It can make a circle perfect. It can make a circle perfectly. I think it is most amazing thing to me. Okay, can you see? It can make a circle perfectly. It is moving. Okay, now I think this part is enough here. Okay, now I will introduce our YRT router table bearings. First, let me introduce our cages. Our cages. This one is brass cages, and these two ones they are both nylon cages. But the nylon cages we have different colors. Such the blue color, the brown color. But the brass cages is much heavier than nylon cages. So you can choose what cages according to your work condition. Okay, now let me introduce our YRT router table bearing. I think this one is YRT80 router table bearing. It has one axial cover, one axial radial inner ring, one axial radial outer ring. One axial radial inner outer ring. Two round cylindrical rollers in the axial direction. and arranged in 2 brass on nylon cages, just like I told you. Okay, it also has one for installation cylindrical rollers, in the vertical direction. So there are mounting holes both in inner ring and outer ring, but like I just told you, the price is much higher than RU cross roller bearings. Okay, about the many structures of YRT 100 rotary table bearings. YRT rotary table bearings. So there are many features such as one bearing can replace 2 or more ordinary bearings. It can bear axial loads, radial loads, and overturning torque. It has higher load capacity and higher rigidity. The structure is much better, and the shaft system is more simple. It is easier for installation and cost saving for maintenance. Okay, our YRT rotary table bearing mostly is in 5-axis, 6-axis machine center or machine to the rotary table, milling head, hobbing machine, grinding machine, and other precision industry like lab devices. Okay, now I think my part is that my introduction is that let my catalog to continue to introduce our company and our products to you. She is Felicia. 玉莹，好。啥？那我先在这儿再给你坐一会儿，再坐一会儿。没事。Hi, this is Annie from Luoyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Okay, now let me briefly introduce our company to you. Luoyang Yifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company is located in Luoyang Jianxi Industrial Park, Luoyang City, Henan Province, and China. It is specializing in manufacture high precision, high rigidity, high load cross roller bearings, YRT rotary table bearings, harmonic radius bearings, slow bearings, and customized bearings for 18 years. We have ISO, SGS certification, and professionally replace IKO, THK, INA, SKF, and other foreign brands. And our products have been exported to more than 50 countries, such as Canada, Russia, the United States, the UK, and other countries. Our company value is that all customers succeed, so you can choose us for sure. If you have anything, you can contact with us immediately. Okay, now let my colleague Felicia to introduce our company and our products to you. Okay.
来，
你一会儿看看那个安妈手。
这手套是？
手套就可油了，捡着戴。
剪着带。
我刚刚用的是这两个，直接手就钻进去的这种状态，因为它手套可油嘞。哦，这个也是，我刚刚戴的是这两个，比较外边更油，里边还好那么一点点。
15个人，感觉还挺多的今天。
今天我不知道为什么都没有用券，
是吧？昨天还20多个人呢。
昨天都这么多人呢？
昨天我直播时候21个，好像是昨天。
好多呀。
这2天感觉人好多呀。
对，而且有的还是直接就是官方推荐。
让我把手套，这手套不好戴。可以了，是吧？Hello everyone, this is Felicia from Loyang Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Our live show will last about 2 hours today to introduce our Castula bearings and YRTS ball bearings. So let me first introduce our company to you firstly. So Loyang Infant Precision Bearing is located in Loyang. It's located in Jianxi Industry Park, Loyang City, Henan Province. Thanks to its unique foundation management, our company has established a professional technique and a perfect management system. And all our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools and grind 3 times by grinders and inspect the person after each procedure. So and our warranty time is about 1 year, so you can buy it with confidence. So today I will introduce the Castula bearings and the YRTS ball bearings to you. Okay, now this is the Castula bearings. In Castula bearings, the center rollers are arranged into 90-degree V-shaped raceways. Separated by spacer block one by one in vertical arrangement, the inner wing and outer wing can be integrated and separated. So what's about the features? So the bearing in structure can bear S-load, radial load, and overturning torque. Overturning torque, having high precision and high rigid features. Some series even have mounting holes. And the widely used in machine tools and the accessories, automation, medical equipment, robots, and other industries. About Castula bearings, we have RA, RB, RU, CRBH, X, SX, XU, and XSU. So now look at it. This is the RA series. So the RA series, look at it. The inner wing is integrated and the outer wing is divided into 2 parts at axial direction. And it is smaller and lighter than other model series. It's suitable for the parts which requires the small space requirements. And now the next one. Look at it. This is the RB series. So the inner wing is integrated and the outer wing is divided into 2 parts at axial direction. And this is the standard model of the Castula bearings. So it is suitable for the parts which require the accuracy of the inner wings. 怎么了？
拿我的水不行，没事，你接着播，不用管我。Okay, the next one is the CRBH. The inner wing is integrated, its outer wing is also integrated. Its overall structure allows the inner wings and the outer wings. And they are widely used in medical equipment, robots, automation, and other industries. They are suitable for parts which require the high rigid features. And the next one is the RU series. You can see, so what's the features of the RU series? You can see the inner wing is integrated and the outer wing is also integrated. This is the overall structure of both the inner wings and the outer wings. In addition, there are mounting holes on both the inner wings and outer wings, so they can be directly used and installed with the shaft or bearing seat. Okay, the next one is XU series. Okay, now look at it. This is a XU series. Okay, I will find one.
Yeah, this is the XU series. You can see it. So what's the feature of the XU and XSU series? The inner ring is integrated, its outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of both the inner rings and the outer rings. And there are many holes on both the inner rings and outer rings, so they can directly be used. And there are difference between the inner rings. There are difference between the inner rings and the outer rings. And you can see this is X, and we also have SX series. The inner ring is integrated in the outer ring is divided into two parts at SO direction. We can obtain it in accordance with the 618 series. Okay, yeah, this is the SX series. We can obtain it according to the typical Bohr 618 series. The inner ring is integrated in the outer ring is divided into two parts at SO direction. And there are three connector rings on the outer rings. Yeah, this is the connector rings. And in addition, this is all series of the crossover bearings: RA, RB, RU, CRBH, XU, XX, and XSU. And so in addition, so how to install the crossover bearings? So the first step, we need to prepare the inner ring, the outer ring, the cylindrical rollers, the rubber ring in the screw. First, we need to wash them with the gasoline and wipe them dry. The next step, we need to put the cylindrical rollers on the V-shaped raceway. Put the cylindrical rollers on the V-shaped raceways, and then we need to cap the outer ring. We need to put the spacer block between the cylindrical rollers, and we also use a red color spacer block to rectify the interval. We need to use the U-clamp to command the clearance. We also use the stake to correct the clearance, and the next step, we need to use the meter to examine the clearance. So the next step, we need to cap the outer ring. We need to inject the grease, and we do the last correction with the stake, and then our products are finished. So this is the whole process of how to install the crossover bearings. And all our products are produced by advanced system machine tools, and inspected one person after each procedure, grinded 3 times after by grindings. And we have professional sales team, technical team, production team, and we have perfect after service. So you don't worry about any problem of our quality. And we have established long-term cooperation with many companies from many countries. We have passed the QSGS certifications. Our products have replaced the IQ, SKF, INA, THK, and many other foreign brands. So you can buy it with confidence. And the next is the YRTS T-ball bearings. And this is the crossover bearings. And now look at it. This is YRTS T-ball bearings. YRTS T-ball bearings are combined and are radio and also combined cylindrical roller bearings, including one SO radio inner ring, one SO radio outer ring, and one SO radio cover. 2 cylindrical rollers at SO direction, and 2 are arranged in brass and nylon case. 1 for installation radio cylindrical rollers, and there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. So what's the feature about the YRTS T-ball bearings? One bearing in structure can bear axle radial load and overturning torque. One bearing can replace 2 more normal bearings, and they have high precision and heavy load features. The shaft system is better, and the structure is more simple. They're easy for installation and cost saving for maintenance. They're widely used in 5-axis machine, century, grinding machine, hobbing machine, lab devices, and precision equipment. Hello, welcome to my live show. Okay, now this is YRT. So about YRT unity ball bearings, we have YRT and the YRTS. So you can see this is YRT. So how to distinguish them? There is no spacer block between the cylinder rollers and also the reaction. So it is suitable for the parts which require high rigid features. So if there is a spacer block between the cylinder rollers, it is YRTS. So the spacer block will influence its speed. So it's faster than the YRT in its rotating speed. And all our products are produced by advanced machine tools and produce the grinding times of each after by grindings and inspected 1% after each procedure. We have professional technical team, sales team, so you don't have to worry about any problem about our quality. Okay, now this so what's about our lead time? About the smaller parts such as YRT50, YRT80, we have last stock on bulk in our lead time is about 3 days. And for the larger parts, we have some products on stock and our lead time is about from 15 to 30 days. So you don't have to worry about our quality. And our company has established a long-term cooperation with many countries and with many companies, and we have passed ISO SGS certifications. So it's so you don't need to worry about our quality. So if you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show and I will answer you directly. Hello, this is Felicia from Loyang Ifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. And our live show will last about 2 hours to introduce our crossover bearings and variety of the type of bearings. So now let me first introduce our company to you. Loyang Ifan Precision Bearing was established in 2004. Our company is located in Jianxi Industrial Park, Loyang City, Henan Province, China. And since its unique foundation management, we have established the perfect management system and the professional technical team, sales team, production team, and perfect after-sales service. All our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools, grinded 3 times by grinders, and inspected 1% after each procedure. So you can procedure. So our products are guaranteed for its quality. You can buy it with confidence. And now today I will introduce our crossover bearings and variety bearings to you. And now first I will introduce our crossover bearings. So in crossover bearings, the cylinder rollers are arranged into 90-degree V-shaped wrist widths, separated by spacer block one by one in vertical arrangement. Some series even have mounting holes. So bearing structure can be as load, radial load, and overturning load. One having high precision and high rigid features, some series even have mounting holes that are easy for installation and maintenance. They are widely used in machine tools and the accessories, medical equipment, automation, robots, and other industries. And we have RA, RB, RU, CRBH, X, UXS, and XU and XSU series. So this is the RB series. So what's the feature of the RB series? You can see the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction. And the inner ring is integrated, outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction. It's a standard model of the crossover bearings. And it's for the parts which require the accuracy of the inner rings. And this is RA series. So what's the feature of RA series? And compared with RB, it's more lighter and smaller. You can see the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also divided into two parts at axial direction. So combined with RB is more lighter and smaller. It's for the parts which require the small space requirements and lighter space. And now the next one is the next one is CRBH. CRBH. Oh, this is a CRBH. You can see the inner ring is integrated, its outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of the both inner rings and outer rings. They are widely used in medical equipment, automation, and many industries. So they which requires high rigidity features. And the next is the RU series. You can see this is the RU series. RU series, what's the feature of the RU series? The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of both the inner rings and outer rings. And there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and outer rings. They can directly be used and installed with a shaft or bearing seat. And the next step is SS series. The SS series. So what's the feature of the SS series? We can obtain it in accordance with the typical Bohr 618 series. The inner ring is integrated, outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction. The center rollers are ranging into 90-degree vision raceways. And there are three connecting rings on the there are three connecting rings on the outer ring. Oh, maybe I can find one as XS series. Yeah, this is the XS series. Yeah, this is the XX series. We can obtain it in accordance with the typical Bohr 618 series. Okay, the next one is the XU and XSU series. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is divided into two. The outer ring is also integrated, sorry. It's the overall structure of both inner rings and the outer rings. And there are mounting holes on both inner rings and outer rings. So what's the difference between it and the RU series? There is the biggest difference is height difference. You can feel the inner ring and outer ring. You can touch the height difference between the inner rings and the outer rings. And this is the biggest difference between the XU and the RU series. So this is all our series about the crossover bearings. This is all our series about cross roller bearings. And how to install the cross roller bearings? First, you need to prepare for the inner ring, the outer ring, the rubber ring, the cylinder rollers and the screw. You need to wash them with the gasoline and wipe them dry. And the next step, you need to put the cylinder rollers on the V-shaped raceways. And then you need to cover the outer ring. You need to use the U-clamp to combat the clearance. You need to the next step, you need to use a stake to rectify the clearance, and then you need to use the meter to rectify the clearance. And then you put the spacer block between the center rollers one by one, and then you need to use the red color center rollers to rectify the interval. To rectify the interval, and then rectify the interval, and then you need to do the and then you need to cover the outer ring. You need to inject the grease between the outer ring and the inner rings, and cover the outer ring. Do the use the rubber ring to seal it, and do the last correction with the stake. Then our products are finished. So this is the whole process of the cross roller bearings. And our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools, and grind 3 times after by grinding and by grinding, and grind 3 times by grinding, and instead of one person after each procedure. And the next step is also the YRT bearings. YRT bearings are radio and axles combined cylinder roller bearings, including one axle radio inner ring, one axle radio outer ring, and one axle radio cover. 2 cylinder rollers at axle direction, and 2 are arranged in brass and nylon case. 1 for installation radio cylinder rollers, and there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. So bearing structure can be as load, radio load, and overturning torque, overturning torque. One bearing can replace 2 more normal bearings. One bearing can replace 2 or more normal bearings. Having a precision, high features. Some series even have mounting. There are mounting holes on both the inner rings and outer rings. They are easy for installation and conserving for maintenance. The shaft system is better and structure is more simple. They are widely used in 5-axis machine center, hobby machine, grinding machine, lab devices, and precision equipments. So about YRT, we have YRTC and the YRTS. So there is no spacer block between the YRTC. It will influence its rotating speed. It's a fold pulse, which require the high rigid features. And about YRTS, there is spacer block between the cylinder rollers, and the rotating speed is faster than the YRTC. So what's the process of creating a bearings? So first step is forge piece, then the ratcheting and fine tuning, and then is the drill heat treatment. The next step is heat treatment and rough tuning, aggregate tuning, and final tuning. We will grind 4 times: ground grinding, inner ring grinding, outer ring grinding, and roller grinding. And the next step is the assembly, examination, delivery, and final and package and final delivery. So this is the whole process of creating our bearings. So all our products are produced by advanced system machine tools. So what's about the lead time for the smaller parts such as the YRT50, YRT80? We have YRT50, YRT80. We have we have large bulk on stock, and our lead time is about 3 days. For the larger parts, we have our for the larger parts, we have some products on stock, and our lead time is about 15 to 30 days. So you can buy it with confidence. Our run time is about 1 year. Our products will be produced by advanced system machine tools, ground 3 times up by grinding, and hello, welcome to my live show. Hello, welcome to my live show. And this is our variety of table bearings. All are produced by advanced system machine tools, ground 3 times by grindings, and inspected 1% after each procedure. We have professional sales team, technical team, and production team. We also have the perfect after sales service. We have passed the ISO SGS certifications, and we have established long-term cooperation with many companies. So you can buy it with confidence. Our warranty time is about 1 year. Our lead time is about 3 to 15 days. And we will all products are inspected seriously, so you can sure you don't need to worry about its quality. And now this is Felicia from Loyang Even Precision Bearing Manufacturing. Today our live show will last about 2 hours. Introduce our customer bearings and the variety of the type of bearings. So first, I will introduce our company to you. Firstly, Loyang Even Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company is located in Jianxi Industrial Park, Loyang City, Henan Province. And we have professional sales team, technical team, production team. We also provide perfect after-sales service. We have passed the ISO IGS certification and replaced the IKO, THK, IA, SKF, and many imported brands. So our products are guaranteed for 1 year, and we also have very professional team, and our company specializes in producing and researching customer bearings, variety of type of bearings, harmonic bearings, and the customized bearings. So you can you don't need to worry about its quality. In the so okay, now look at it. This is a variety of the type of bearings. So the variety of the type of bearings are radio and ASO combined cylinder roller bearings, including 1S radio inner ring, 1S radio outer ring, and 1S radio cover, 2 cylinder rollers at ASO direction, and 1 full installation radio cylinder rollers. And the mounting holes on both the inner rings and outer rings. So bearing structure can be S load, radio load, and overturning torque. And bearing structure can be S load, radio load, and overturning torque. One bearing can replace 2 more normal bearings. The shaft system is better and the structure is more simple, and they're easy for installation and cost saving for maintenance. So you can buy it with confidence. They're widely used in 5-axis machine center and the accessories. Medical equipment, automation, lab devices, and precision equipment. So Look at it. This is YRT costular bearings. YRTC, and there is no spacer block. Hello, welcome to my live show. I will send our card to you, and you can leave your question on our live show. Hello, welcome to my live show. And you can see this is a YRT table bearings. This is a YRTC. There is no spacer block between the center rollers. So it is suitable for the purse, which requires high rigid features. And we also have a YRTS. There is spacer block between the center rollers. And it has a faster rotating speed compared with the YRTC. And so this is the YRT rotatable bearings. So what's the lead time? What's about the lead time of YRT rotatable bearings? For the smaller parts, such as YRT 50, YRT 80, we have a large stock. We have large bulk on stock, and our lead time is about 3 days. And for the larger parts, we have 7 products on stock, and our lead time is about 15 to 30 days. So you can buy it with confidence. All our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools, grinded 3 times by grinders, and inspected 1 person after each procedure. Okay, now procedure. So, and we have professional technical team, sales team, sales team, production team, and the perfect after sales service. Okay, now this is our rotatable bearings. Now I will introduce our costular bearings to you. Hello, welcome to my live show. This is Felicia from Luoyang Ifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing, and this is our costular bearings. You can see the innerway is in costular bearings. The sub rollers are arranged into 90-degree raceways, separated by spacer block 1 by 1 in vertical arrangement. The inner rings and outer ring can be integrated and separated. Okay, I will send our card to you, and you can leave your any question to our on our live show. And you can see this is so what's the feature of the costular bearings? One bearing structure can bear S load, video load, and overtaking torque. Having high precision and high rigidity features, some series even have mounting holes that are easy for installation and maintenance. They are widely used in machine tools and the accessories, medical equipment, automation, robots, and other industries. So we have RA, RB, CRBH, RU, XU, SX, XSU, and we also provide customized products. So look at it. This is the RB series. You can see the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is divided into 2 parts at the axial direction. And it is suitable for the purse, which require the high rigid, the accuracy of the inner rings and the outer rings. You can see this is the RB 100016 UUCC0P5. So RB is its series name. 100 means the inner ring of the costular bearings is the diameter of the inner ring of the costular bearings about 100 millimeters, and 60 means the height, and UU means the double sealed in the rubber in both the inner ring and the outer rings, and 60 means the negative clearance, and P5 is round accuracy of the inner rings and outer rings. So this is what the numbers means in the costular bearings. Okay, now this is the RA series. The inner ring is integrated in the outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction. And compared with RB series, RB is the standard model of the crossover bearings. So compared with H, it's more lighter and smaller. So it's suitable for the parts which require the small space requirements. This is the RA series. And the next step is CRBH. Yeah, this is a CRBH series. You can see this is a CRBH. So how to distinguish it with others? You can see the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of both the inner rings and the outer rings. It's the overall structure of both the inner rings and outer rings. So it is suitable for the they're widely used in medical equipment, automation, robots, which require the high rigidity features. Now look at it. This is the RU series. So what's the feature of the RU series? You can see the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of both the inner rings and overall structure of both the inner rings and outer rings. And there are mounting holes on both. There are mounting holes. There are mounting holes in both the inner rings and the outer rings. So they can directly be used and installed with the shaft or bearing seat. This is RU series. Hello, welcome to my live show. This is Felicia from Luoyang Infant Precision Bearing. Now, this is our crossover bearings, and this is the RU series. I have just introduced it. The inner ring is integrated, and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of both the inner rings and outer rings. They can directly be used without a shaft or bearing seat. Okay, the next is the SX series. So this is the SX series. This is the SX series. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction. And there are connected rings on the outer ring. You can see there are connected rings on the outer ring. Okay, sorry. So we can see the next step, and this is the XU series. This is the XU series. This is the XU series. So the inner ring is integrated, and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of both the inner rings and outer rings, and there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and outer rings. So compared with RU series, it has a high difference between the inner rings and the outer rings. Yeah, you can feel it. You can feel the hand rings by your hand. Yeah, you can feel it. So this is the all series of the about our crossover bearings. This is all series of the crossover bearings. And so how to install the crossover bearings? First, you need to prepare the inner ring, the outer ring. the rubber ring, the screw, the center rollers. And the first step, you need to put the center rollers between the V-shaped raceways. And first step, you need to cleanse them with the gasoline and wipe them dry. Then you need to put the center rollers between the V-shaped raceways. And you need to use a U-clip to compensate the clearance. You need to use a stake to rectify the clearance. And then you need to use the meter to examine the clearance. So next step, you need to put the spacer block between the center rollers and put the spacer block between the center rollers and between the center rollers, the spacer block between the center rollers, and use a red color spacer block to exactly to narrow the interval. And the next step, you need to put the different color. You need to put the red color center rollers. You need to use the red color cylinder. You need to use the red color rollers to rectify to narrow the interval, and then to narrow the interval. Narrow the interval, and then you need to inject the grease between the outer ring. You need to cover the outer ring, and you need to use a screw to tighten them. Then you do the last correction with a stake, and at last our products are finished. So this is the whole process of how to install the cross-roller bearings. And so all our bearings are produced by advanced CNC machine tools and grinded 3 times by grindings and inspected 1 person after each procedure. So you don't have to worry about our quality. And our warranty time is about 1 year. And then you can see we have passed the SOSGS certifications, and we have replaced the IKO, INA, KO, THK, SKF, and many other imported foreign brands. So you don't need to worry about any question about our quality. Our lead time is about 3 days to 30 days. Our warranty time is about 1 year, and we have professional technical team, sales team, and we have perfect after sales service, and we have established long-term cooperation with many companies from many countries, such as Canada, American, South Korea, and so on. 我有多少分时间了？
给断了，刚才
断了怎么
？1小时48。
啊，吓我一跳，还有12分钟。
可以吧？
可以。Hello, welcome to my live show. This is Felicia from Loyang Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. And today our live show will last about 2 hours, introduce our consular bearings and variety of depot bearings. Hello, welcome to my live show, and I will send you our card. And if you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show, and I will answer you directly. Okay, now look at it. This is our, we will introduce our consular bearings and the variety of depot bearings to you. So let me first introduce our company to you. Loyang Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company is located in Jianxi Industrial Park, Loyang City, Henan Province. And Jianxi Industry Park. Sansu is unique. Jianxi Industry Park. So, our company specializes in producing and researching the crossover bearings and the variety of the typical bearings, customized bearings, and we also and harmonic bearings. So Santu is unique foundation. We have established a perfect management system, and we also have the professional sales team, technical team, production team, and after sales service. All our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools in grinded 3 times by grinders and inspected 1% after each procedure. So our procedure, so you don't worry about any questions about its quality, and our lead time is about 3 days to 30 days, and our warranty time is about 1 year. We have passed the ISO SGS certifications and replaced many foreign brands such as KO, IATHK, SKF, and we also established long-term cooperation with many countries. So now I will introduce the variety of typical bearings. Bearings. You can see this is variety of the typical bearings. Variety of the typical bearings are radio and also combined cylinder roller bearings, including one axle radio inner ring, one axle radio outer ring, and one axle radio cover. 2 cylinder rollers at axle direction and 2 are arranged in brass and nylon kits. 1 for installation radio cylinder rollers, and there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. So this is the variety of the bearings. So what's the feature of the variety of the bearings? Variety of the bearings can bear S load, radio load, and overturning torque. One bearing in structure can be replaced to more normal bearings. So the shaft is embedded and structure is more simple. They're easy for installation and cost saving for maintenance. So we and this is a YRTS, and this is a YRTC. So what's the difference between the YRTC and the YRTS? You can see the YRTC, there is no spacer block between the cylinder rollers. So it is suitable for their values in medical equipment, automation, robots, and other many industries which require the high rigidity features. And this is the YRTS. So there is a spacer block between the cylinder rollers. It will influence its rotating speed. It's faster than the YRTC in its rotating speed. And this is the YRT. All our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools, grinded 3 times by grinders, and inspected 100% after each procedure. So what's about its lead time? For the smaller parts such as YRT50, YRT80, our lead time is about 3 days, and for the larger parts, we have last stock on bulk, and our lead time is about 30 days. So you can buy it with confidence. Okay, so the next step is our cross roller bearings. This is our cross roller bearings. This is our cross roller bearings. Yeah, this is our costular bearings. So what's the feature about our costular bearings? In costular bearings, the cylinder rollers are arranged into 90-degree V-shaped raceways, separated by space block 1 in vertical arrangement. The inner rings and outer rings can be graded and separated. So in structure, bearing structure can be as radial load and overturning torque. Overturning and radial load and overturning torque. One bear having high precision and high rigid features, some series even have mounting holes. They are easy for installation and maintenance. So they are widely used in machine tools and the accessories, medical equipment, automation, robots, and many other industries. RA, RB, RU, CRBH, XX, XU, and SS. We also have double row. We also have we also provide customized products to you. And okay, now I will introduce our Okay, now I will introduce our RB series. This is our family RB series. Yeah, this is RB series. The inner ring is integrated in the outer ring is divided into two parts at the axle direction. It's a standard model of the costular bearings. So what's the meaning of you can see there are so many numbers on the outer ring. RB10016, UU600P5. So what's the meaning about these numbers? RB is a series name. 10 means the name of the diameter of the inner ring is 100 millimeters, and the 16 is its head cam. UU means the rubber involves the inner ring and outer ring. 60 means its negative clearance, and P5 is run out accuracy of the inner rings and outer rings. This is the RB series. And this is the RA series. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is divided into two parts at axle direction. And it's smaller and lighter than the RB series. It's suitable for the parts which require the small space requirements. And this is a CRBH series. And the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of both the inner rings and is the overall structure of both the inner rings and outer rings. They are widely using medical equipment, automation, robots, and which require the high rigid features. And this is the SX series. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is divided into two parts at axle direction, and we can obtain it in accordance with the 618 series. Typical bore 618 series. There are 3 connect rings on the outer ring. And this is the XU series. So the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of both inner rings and outer rings. and there are many holes on both inner rings and outer rings. They can directly be used and installed. So what's the difference between the RU and the XU and XSU? So you can see the height difference. You can feel the height difference between the inner rings and outer rings. So this is the biggest difference between the XU and the SLU and the XU and the XSU. So this is all our series of cross-roller bearings. So what's the how to create the bearings? First is forge piece, rough tinning, fine tinning, drill heat treatment, rough tinning, rough grinding, accurate grinding, final grinding, assembly, examination, delivery, package and delivery. This is the whole process of the how to install the cross-roller bearings. And this is all our products. All our products are produced by. We also provide customized products. If you have any need, you can send your drawing to us. And so our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools, grind 3 times by grinders and grind 3 times by grinders and grinders and inspect one person after each procedure. We have professional technical team, sales team, and production team. We also have a perfect after-sales service. So if you have any need, you can send your message to us. Okay, so this is all our today, and our live show will finish.